Okay, so we've covered some of the broad bases when it comes to the interface changes. We've looked at modules, users, content authoring, the configuration management, comments, blocks, taxonomy, and views. So now let's tackle the remaining pages, which mostly belong inside of manage and configuration. Let's start with system, and we'll go to site information. And on the Drupal 7 side, we'll get there by going to configuration, site information. The only difference between these two pages is that the front page in Drupal 7 has an input for the number of posts on the front page, but in Drupal 8, it's a view, and so we can adjust that number in the view itself. Next, let's take a look at cron. In Drupal 7, I'll go to configuration and cron under system. Again, these two interfaces are nearly identical. The one important thing to note is that the URL structure for cron has changed. In Drupal 7, it was cron.php, and then a query for cron key equals, and then a hash. In Drupal 8, this is a path without a query string at the end. So it goes cron/, and then the hash.